The 36th District Court in the state of Michigan is now in session. The Honorable Judge Marlena Taylor is now presiding. At this time, there will be no talking, no smoking, no chewing gum, no eating or sleeping, no driving or riding in a moving vehicle. Please keep your device on a surface level so that your face may be seen. Also, keep your device mute until you are addressed by staff. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. Thank you. Okay. All right. So I don't know where anybody is, unfortunately.
They're all in the waiting room, Your Honor. I can start bringing some people
Start
in.
bringing them in. Bringing them in. That would be wonderful. Thank you so much, Attorney Dupree. How you want it, in whatever order, okay?
Very good, Judge. Let me.
I just made you co-host, though, Judge.
Okay, thank you.
Let's see. Start with Mr. Wesley.
Okay.
No, Madam Reporter, are you able to wait? Why am I not able to? Oh, I'm sorry. All right, now I got him.
Okay.
There we go. My system was lagging a little bit. I was like, I hit the button like 4 times. And then, all right.
Yours too.
Brian Wesley. He was on yesterday.
Yes, I was.
Oh, okay. I'm sorry. We didn't handle this yesterday.
Yes, it was what happened. I needed to go out of town, and I went down there to go after I had got out of court a week
Okay.
ago. They said I had a warrant for my. I'm like, wait a minute.
Okay.
So I went down there, and the lady said, "Okay, I'm gonna put this back to back with her." Okay, so I'm
Okay.
back.
All right, Mr. Wesley. I'm called the case now. Now calling the matter of the people versus Brian Wesley. This is ticket number P12399713. This is one count, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Matthew Dupree, P80132, attorney for the defendant. Mr. Wesley, state your name, please.
Brian Wesley.
Judge, at this time, asking the matter be set for a Zoom bench trial.
Mr. Wesley, I thought you provided some documents the other time. Did you not have any documentation?
The car, that was for my car. Okay, I had went and got the insurance for the truck. I went down to the police station. They up here right down the street from me because I'm right here on Greenfield and Grand River. I went to the, what is that, this 9th or 10th precinct down there on Schaefer. I went down there. They said, we don't do that.
Okay.
So, and then my truck just got hit. It just got hit in July 9th.
Okay.
So I got the I showed it to him. But I was like, I'm not gonna get no insurance until I get the truck fixed. So the truck is in the backyard, well, in the back of my apartment complex.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, Mr. Wesley. So you want a bench trial in this matter then for this case?
I got to, because I was legal, you know, at tough time, but then, you know, they didn't give me my court date.
Okay. Well, then in the meantime, while you're waiting for this court date, look for that document. Because if you can show you were legal at that time, I can be able to act.
It really was, I went and got it right after then.
Okay.
I did go get it right after then. The plates and everything. The plates are still good on there. Okay. But there's no insurance, so she's in the back.
All right.
My car back too.
All right, Mr. Wesley. I'm gonna set it for a bench trial for you, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome. It's gonna be January 6th, 2023. You need to write it down?
Yes. January 26th.
No, 6.
Okay.
06.
22.
23.
Okay, I keep forgetting. Okay. 0623. What
At
time?
9 a.m., sir.
I'll be there.
All right, I'm gonna set your bond at $0 personal on this matter, okay, sir?
I don't miss no court dates.
I know. I have to set one though, so that you don't get pulled over or anything like that, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome. If there's nothing further, we're all set, Mr. Wesley. I'll see you on January 6th.
Okay.
1/6, okay? All right, 9 a.m. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
All right, bye-bye.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, no problem.
Next is Paris Williams Huffman.
Paris Williams. Huffman. Okay. Paris Williams Huffman. All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Paris William Huffman. This is case number P837214. One count allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. Also calling case number 154181821. This is one count allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Matthew Dupree, P80132, House Counsel. Mr. Williams Huffman, state your name, please.
Huffman.
Say it one more time.
Huffman.
We keep missing the beginning part of it, and I don't know why. Mm-mm.
Judge, I was having audio problems with him consistently before. At this time, Your Honor, we're just asking the matter be set for a Zoom bench trial.
Okay. Mr. Huffman?
Yes.
Mr. Huffman?
Can you hear me now?
I can hear you now. Okay, say your name again.
Paris Williams Huffman.
There we go. Thank you so much. It's my understanding that you want to have a bench trial in these matters, sir. Is that correct?
I think he said bench trial, or did he say trial by jury?
Yes. So those are your two options if you don't.
Okay, bench trial. Yeah, bench trial.
Please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
You can put your hand down. Mr. Huffman, did you have a chance to talk to Attorney Dupree about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
It's my understanding you want to have a bench trial. That's a trial before myself as the judge. I be the trier and finder of facts, sir. You want to move in that direction?
Yes.
All right, I'm going to set this matter for a bench trial on the date of January the 6th.
Okay.
January 6th. I'm going to set both of these cases. January the 6th is going to be at 9 a.m. I'm going to set your bond at $0 personal, okay?
Yes.
All right, and it's going to be via Zoom. So the same way you zoomed in today, you're going to zoom in for your bench trial, okay?
Okay.
All right, if there's nothing further, sir, you're all set. Thank you so much for your time this morning.
Thank you too.
All right, have a good day, okay?
And you said January 6th at 9:30?
Yes, get you a sheet of paper and write this down. So you don't forget.
I got it right here. I just didn't hear what date it was exactly.
Yes, January 6th, 01/06/23, 9 a.m.
9 a.m.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day, okay? All right. Who's next, Mr. Dupree?
Next is Kevon Washington.
Kevon Washington? All right.
Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm good, thank you. You got a place you can sit for a second?
Yes.
All right, fantastic. Now calling the matter of the people versus Kevon Washington. This is U ticket 595-86221. This is disorderly conduct. Today is the date and time set for a review in this matter. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Matthew Dupree, P80132, House Counsel. Mr. Washington, state your name, please.
Kevon Washington.
Judge, this matter is set for review. The defendant is asking for additional time. He can make the payment immediately of the fine, but he needs some more time to finish up the community service and complete the class.
Have you called to schedule the class, Mr. Washington?
Yes.
Okay,
The
when are you
community
taking the
service.
class?
I'm sorry. The community service is set for, this is a Friday thing, and they come in every Friday. So I'm gonna set it for it's already set, excuse me, for next Friday. They had a nice little list. And my thing is, I don't know if they do 4 or 5 hours a day but I'm going off an average of 4 hours a day. And so I would need at least like 5 Fridays, basically.
Okay.
I'm sorry, go ahead.
No, I was gonna say, what about the class? Tell me about the class. Did you sign up
the-
for that yet?
You talking about the P awareness class?
Yes.
Okay, so at the end of the day, that's an 8-hour class. And
Mhm.
I just now got my finances back, but I can do that all in one day.
Right.
Or at
You're
least
gonna
2
have
days.
to. But I want you to know that it's only scheduled like once a month. So do you need like 2 more months to be able to complete this, the community service and that class?
Yes, please. I didn't want to ask for that much, but I really do.
No,
It's
I
been
know.
hard.
I was about to say, I would rather you ask for it and the next time you come back, it's completed, as opposed to you ask for some quick time and try and rush through it. I want you to complete it, because if you
Okay.
don't, then they'll give you the original ticket thing. So I don't want that to happen to you. So in 2 months, that's December. Are you gonna be able to complete everything in December, or
Yeah.
do you want it until January?
As much as I can get it, but I just don't want to seem like I'm trying to go for you get what I'm saying?
I know
Like,
what you're saying.
if I can go for January, then that'll be beautiful. I'll try to at least still get it done in 1 or 2 months.
Let me,
You know
is
what I'm
this our
saying?
first review, Mr. Washington? I think it is. All right. All right. I expect you to have this completed when you come back on January 13th, okay? That gives you
I
plenty
definitely
of
will.
time, okay?
Yes.
I'm going to adjourn this until January 13th, 2023. We're going to have the review at 8:45 a.m. That way it gives you a little time to pay that money, but you need to do everything as soon as possible. And like I
Okay.
said, that class, it's a cost for that class, and they only offer it like once a month. So that's why I'm like, you're the one that's offered this month is in October. At the like end of the month, you're probably not going to be able to make that. So it's going to push you to November probably, and you're gonna have to come up with the money for the class and pay the fine. So do it as
What-
quickly as you can, okay?
Which class you was talking about? Was it the P
The
awareness or
misdemeanor morality class that you need to take.
is that because I didn't hear. I mean, I'm just trying to go back through it because
It's
I
the
remember
prostitution awareness class, but they call it the
Right.
misdemeanor. This the same class. I just was calling
It's
it
all
the
right. No, it's
misdemeanor
okay.
morality class. I was trying to give you a little, Mr.
Right.
White. All right. So that's the same class I'm talking about. You contacted the location though for that, or do you need the number again so you can try and get it?
I'm gonna need the number again because I've the people that I contacted. I don't know if that's the same one you contacted. I mean, you contacted, but you gave me, and they were saying it's an 8-hour class,
It is.
and I think it was like $45, $60,
Yeah,
something like
it's
that.
like 60 something dollars and it's an 8-hour class. That's the correct one.
Okay, cool. Then I got the right.
All right. Make sure you complete everything, Mr. Washington. Okay.
I will. I definitely will.
I'll see you back on January 13th, 2022. That day sounds like I won't be here.
2023.
2023. I won't. I'll be at training. Can you do it by January 6th?
Yes, I can.
Okay. January 6th.
January 6th. What time? Just to be sure.
8:45 a.m. Sign in just like you did for Zoom. Now that's gonna be the last time,
Yeah.
Mr. Washington.
This is the same link I should use.
Yes. Hold on a
Okay.
minute. Are you okay, Miss Sandy?
Excuse me. I hate to say this, but my computer went dead, and the last thing I heard you say is it's a prostitution awareness class.
Okay. So it's a prostitution awareness class, Mr. Washington. The same. I called it the misdemeanor morality class because once you get in there, that's what it's going to be called. But I know they only offer it like once or twice a month. So I just want to make sure you have the right class. It sounds like you do. It's an 8-hour class, about 60. I don't know how much it costs, but I think it's around $60. And so I want to make sure I give you more than enough time to be able to take care of that. Okay. So January 6th, 2023, we're going to have your review 8:45 a.m. Now, since I'm giving you so much extra time, I expect that you complete it. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
Yes, ma'am. Do I need more than 8 hours for the P awareness, or just 8 hours is fine?
It's just that, so you have to do 20 hours community service and whatever it takes to get the certificate. They're going to give you a certificate when you finish the class, okay? And it just talks about like different things with trafficking and just to give you a lot of information about different things, okay?
Okay, that's fine.
All right, Mr. Washington, so I'll see you January 6th, 2023. Okay, 8:45 a.m., same link and everything, okay?
Thank you so much, Judge.
You are very, very welcome. All right, you have a good day, Mr. Washington, okay?
Okay, you too.
All right, bye-bye.
And last but certainly not least, Your Honor, we have Arlante Wrights.
Okay.
Hello, Mr. Wright, are you still there?
Yeah.
Okay. Now calling the matters of the people versus Arlante Wright. This is ticket number 510070. Count 1, no operator's license on person. Count 2, uninsured motor vehicle. Also calling ticket number P11799315. Count 1, drove while license not valid or improper license. Count 2, drive unregistered untitled vehicle. Count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Matthew Dupree, P80132. Mr. Wright, state your name, please.
Arlante Wright.
Judge, we've reached a proposed settlement of these matters under which the defendant would plead guilty to a single count of improper plates, with the remainder being dismissed. We'd ask the court to adopt that recommendation.
All right. You want to take advantage of that, Mr. Wright?
Yes.
If so, please raise your right hand for me. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Sir, did you have a chance to talk to Attorney Dupree about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise
No.
you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Say it again.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial? You understand that, sir?
Yes.
Understanding everything, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes.
All right, sir. I want to take you back to the day. Does it matter on which ticket, Attorney Dupree? The improper plates?
No, Your Honor.
I want to take you back to the date of March the 31st of 2021. Were you driving a Ford vehicle in the area of Van Dyke and Rosedale? That's RUEDISALE Court in the city of Detroit. You have a lot of background noise, Mr. Wright. Where are you at?
I'm outside of my job.
Okay. All right. All right. Did you hear what I said though?
Yes.
Okay. Were you driving a vehicle in that area, sir?
Yes.
And did it not have any car insurance on it at the time?
Yes.
Satisfied, counsel?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Stipulation for probable cause on the remaining counts to be dismissed?
So stipulated, Your Honor.
So at
Judge,
this, oh, yes.
I was just going to say we would ask for 60 days to pay.
All right. So at this time, the court's going to enter a plea to the amended charge. Sir, can you put yourself on mute for me? Press *6. All right. I'm going to enter a plea to the amended charge on count 3 of improper plates. I'm going to dismiss without prejudice counts 1 and 2 of this ticket, as well as the other ticket that was called on this record today. My fine is going to be $200, sir. And they have already requested that I give you 60 days to be able to pay that. So I'm going to have you take yourself off mute. Is December the 13th, 2022 enough time for you to be able to pay that fine, sir? *6 to take off mute.
Yes.
Okay, December the 13th is when this fine is due, okay?
Okay. Thank you.
You're very welcome. If there's nothing further, you have a good day, okay?
You too. Thank you so much.
You are very welcome, okay? All right. I have one officer who's on. I don't think that person has checked in, so I'm just gonna call. I don't know if you call a capious. It's just so we can do default. Is that what happens? We turn it into a default, Miss Mary, because it's a formal hearing. I think you just enter a default if they don't show up.
Actually, we have, man, who's that? I forgot. We did have the attorney come on.
Well,
He's gonna waive the defendant's presence, but he has to do it in person in another courtroom.
Oh, okay. The officer, do you want
It
to
was
stay
Attorney
here?
Clayton, Your Honor, Attorney
Okay.
Clayton.
Officer, I know you're present and you've been present. If you would like to leave a phone number, or if you just like to wait, you can do either one. You can put the phone number in chat or call my courtroom and give him the number. And if he would like to have a formal hearing, I'll just be waiting online to be able to do that. Or you can wait if you want to, but I don't want to hold you up, sir.
yeah, no worries. I appreciate Your Honor. It's been a half hour already. What I'll do is I will put these phone number in the chat. I want to do it right now while we're talking, so I make sure I got it correctly.
Okay.
Should I just address it to everyone or to you?
You can do it to
Or who's the host? The court reporter?
the court reporter is the host. Do it to Mary Edwards, though, the court clerk, because she'll be the one who will call you back.
Mary Edwards. Okay, I'm going to do it right now. That way, if they need to hold it, because we already did reschedule this one time, Your Honor.
Okay. I figured as much. Well, I'm not going to reschedule it again. So he's either going to take the offer or not today, or we're going to go to trial.
Okay. And if I may ask, what was the offer? Because he has a terrible driving record.
That's a good question. Let me see what the offer is.
Because he was doing 110 and a 70, and his driving record includes reckless and more speeding tickets, and he's only 22.
Let me see what the offer was. And if you need to talk to counsel, you can. We can get
Okay.
What's his name? We can get John back in here. Oh, it's a state ticket. Okay.
Mhm.
Can we get Miss Cole online so she can talk to the officer about this ticket, please?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, so hold tight, officer. We're gonna get APA Cole online.
Thank you.
Attorney Dupree, if you just want to wait for a little while to see if anybody else checks in this morning, I would appreciate it, okay?
Certainly, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. I won't keep you forever, but just a little while.
That's quite fine, Judge. Thank you.
Madam Clerk, this is Attorney Clayton.
Yes, good morning, Attorney Clayton. I let the judge know that you were in another courtroom doing it in person. We do
Yeah,
have an officer here.
It hasn't been called yet, so I just wanted to check in, pop out. I think I'm about to be next, but I didn't want you just to be hanging in the wind on me.
Right, it's a state case, so we're trying to get in contact with Ms. Cole, and we do have the officer present.
Okay. Can I just check back in then in 10 minutes to see if the prosecutor's back? I think I'm gonna be done here soon.
Okay, yes, because we're waiting on her to zoom in.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Even if your attorney pops up, we should stay on line. I don't have that I need.
Patricia Williams.
Yes.
Good morning, ma'am. Will you pull the camera down chest level?
Oh, okay. Ma'am, I apologize. I was looking at my time one day. I hurried up and hopped up like, oh my God, I got to go to court. So I just hurried up and got on. I apologize.
Would you please get dressed and then just zoom back in when you're ready?
Okay, I'll take my camera off 1 second, please.
You said she was 50.
435.
Left up.
Yes. 772. 7, 435.
I'm in, ma'am.
Okay, are you Patricia Williams? Ma'am, are you Patricia Williams?
Yes, ma'am. I'm Patricia Williams.
Okay, I have you checked in. Ms. Williams, I'm going to put you in a breakout room so that you can speak with the attorney in private about your case and about your rights.
Okay.
When you receive the invitation, join.
How do I do it?
And we're ready on Miss Williams. She's coming out now. Or maybe not.
Oops, I came back. I'm sorry. I don't.
No,
How do
this
I-
is where you're supposed to be.
Oh.
Ms. Williams, you're going to go in a waiting room now until the judge is ready to hear your case.
Okay.
Now, Attorney Dupree, I know you don't know this because you only saw 3 tickets on the docket, but she has a slew of tickets that are in warrant status, just so you know.
I do appreciate that, Your Honor. I am just planning to set for trial anyway, so I think that would make sense.
Okay. Let's see if she'll. All right. All right. Ma'am, you have to sit up like this is court.
I did. You had just tapped in. I apologize.
It's all right. Now calling the matters of the people versus Patricia Ann Marie Williams. The ticket on the docket today, I believe, is ticket number P1221587. Count 1, drove while license suspended. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 3, drive unregistered motor vehicle. The remaining tickets are all in warrant status right now. Ticket number P1051293. Count 1, entering a vacant dwelling without owner's permission. Ticket number P1124853. Count 1, drove while license suspended. Count 2, no proof of insurance. Count 3, no valid registration certificate. Ticket number P1147504. 1 count failed to display a valid operator's license not on person. Ticket number P1157459. Count 1, drove while license not valid or improper license. Count 2, drive unregistered or untitled motor vehicle. Count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number P1195502. Count 1, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 3, drove while license not valid or improper license. Ticket number X3679457. Count 1, no operator's license, multiple operators license. Count 2, no proof of insurance. Ticket number 195280201. 1 count, drive unregistered untitled vehicle. Count 2 of that same ticket is no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Matthew Dupree, P@0132, House Counsel. Ms. Williams, state your name, please.
Patricia Williams.
Judge, I know a number of those matters are in warrant status, which is why I had not, Ms. Williams, informed you of those. I am asking all of those warrants be set aside. And Judge, we would just ask that all of these matters be set for a Zoom bench trial where the officers have to appear. Thank you.
Okay. All right. At this time, the court is going to set aside any bench warrants that may be out there on her behalf, Ms. Williams' behalf, and enter in pleas of not guilty. Ma'am, you would like to have a bench trial, please raise your hand. The right hand, sorry. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can put your hand down. Ms. Williams, did you have a chance to talk to Attorney Dupree about your case and about your rights?
Yes, ma'am.
He's informing me that you would like to have a bench trial. That's a trial before myself as the trier and finder of facts. Is that how you want to move forward, ma'am?
It was like 2 things in there that Officer Shirley, that's not correct. And yeah, I believe so. Yes.
Okay, what ticket, ma'am?
The one where it says I went on someone's property without permission.
That was from January 11th of 2020, and that was at 13951 Charles Street in the city of Detroit.
Yeah, I don't know me.
All right. So that's why you can have a bench trial. Date of birth 11/4/92.
Yes.
Okay. All right. And what's the other ticket you're unsure about, ma'am?
It was a date on one, but I'll take it to court with you, ma'am, and do the bench trial.
All right. So I'm going to do a bench trial on the date of January the 6th. Write this down. January 6th, 2023 at 9 a.m., Miss Williams. 9 a.m.
I'm putting it in my phone, ma'am. Hold on 1 second, please. You said January 6th.
9 a.m.
9 a.m.
Okay.
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 And I wanted to inform you that I did these other court dates that I have is these all at one time. Like the next one that I had was the 31st of this month. Like I have she made a whole bunch of court dates for me. Then the next one after that is the January 27th. Like it's one every month. So is we taking all of it at one time?
Let me see if we pull all the matters. We should have pulled all the matters and put them into the file so that we will have all.
Yeah.
Let me just check and make sure.
They say different case numbers on the packet that I have here.
Okay, tell me the case number for your next case that you have next month, you said?
Yes, it
Okay.
is SP1
Uh-huh.
283 4651.
283. No. So you have a whole lot of extra tickets out there.
Yes, ma'am, I do. I apologize for that. I'm having a lot of stuff going on due to the corona, but yeah, I'm here trying to take care of it.
Miss, so you have a lot of tickets for this one. This is what I'm gonna have you do. Come back for that next court date, and on the next court date, I'll give you a whole nother, if you want to move forward with the bench trial on those, we'll give you a whole nother bench trial date for those. Because it sounds like you have a number of outstanding tickets.
It's one page, but I have a court date for each month, the 10th, and then I got one for the 1st, and I got one for the 3rd.
You said November 10th?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. All right. Let me try and get her to pull them because I know the court will not be here on November the 10th. Miss Mary, I need you to pull this young lady's documents. I'm gonna send you her driver's license number.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Ms. Williams,
Yes, ma'am.
back on the record. So you have 42 outstanding matters. Your next court date is actually October 31st for one of your cases. So,
What? Okay.
yes, so come on October 31st. Is that correct, Miss Mary?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, October 31st, come back online, the same Zoom number, and then we'll get the rest of your tickets pulled. I'm only gonna handle the ones I called today and the misdemeanor matters, okay? It sounds like you have several civil infractions that went into default as well. I'll see if we can get some of those, but.
Okay, and then just one more question. Okay, when I went up to the clerk's desk, she gave me the list of everything that and then she especially marked like 3 of them. I don't know if you can see, but it's I think those the amount of the bill she said I have to pay.
Yes,
Judge, if I could cut in here, Miss
Absolutely.
Williams, you shouldn't pay anything for now. Come back in October for your court date and we'll begin working this stuff out. Do not pay any money for the time being.
Okay.
Okay, you're just gonna have to hold tight, Miss Williams. This is what
Yes.
kind of happened. So I know you're working to get your license back, but you're just gonna have to hold tight because you have so many contacts, but we'll try and get it all straightened out, okay?
Okay.
All right, Miss Williams, we'll see you October 31st. And then that court date for the other tickets I called today for the January trial date is still good, but you have a number of other tickets that I want to have pulled for your next court date, okay?
Okay.
All right.
Thank you so much. You have a beautiful blessed day.
You too, Miss Williams. I'll see you October 31st. Don't forget, put that in your phone too. 8:30
Yes,
a.m.,
ma'am.
okay?
Okay.
All right, thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. All right. Attorney Clayton, the officer was here. We're waiting for, it's a state ticket, so.
Okay.
Excuse me, Your Honor.
Yes,
I called, no answer, and then I emailed her also, but I still haven't received a response.
okay, we'll have to get somebody though. So let me figure out what we can do. Mary, can you call the officer and ask him to come back on?
Yes, Your Honor.
Somebody say something?
Yes, I asked for the officer to call the officer to come back on.
I got it. Just checking.
Your Honor, he said, can you give him a few minutes? He needs to pull over so he can park.
Okay.
Okay.
Hello, officer. You know, I didn't even realize this was just a civil infraction and I don't even need a prosecutor. I am so sorry.
That's
I am-
okay.
I am not thinking clearly today. So, there's no offer, but did you want to talk to defense counsel about a resolution, or are you saying that you want, because I know based on the conversation earlier, the speeding 21 to 25 miles per hour, are you willing to move from that at all?
Your Honor, I don't really see why we would need to. He was doing 40 over. He's got a bad driving record. He's so young.
Attorney Clayton, so your options are that he can plead to this, or y'all can have a hearing right now about it.
Um,
I'm talking to the attorney. You're good, officer.
Your Honor, I think the prosecutor still would need to,
Not for civil infractions, because I can just take testimony from both of y'all.
I think for an informal, but for a formal hearing, the prosecutor, I think, has to be present.
Okay, so I'm gonna adjourn it. What's a good day for everybody?
What is your client looking for, sir?
Just a reduction in the points.
To what?
I don't know, probably, I think right now it's at 4, so maybe 2 would be, I think, appropriate. So that'd be 10 to 15 or something like that, limited access.
I think 3 would be more than fair, as he was reckless driving, Your Honor. We could save a court date, sir, if you would agree to that. If you look at his driving record, we can go over it. He's already got 1 reckless driving on it that he was reduced.
All right, let's do the 3.
Okay. All right, so what's a 3-pointer? Is it limited access? No, it'll just be regular speeding 15, 10 to, is it 10 to 15 gives you?
Yeah,
Okay. All right.
if it's regular, and if it's not, then a 3-point would be 15 to 20, I believe.
Yeah. You said 15 to 20 is 3 points?
If it's a limited access, if it's just
Oh.
regular, think it'd be 10 to 15.
Right, 10 to 15 probably would look better than the limited access 15 to 20, I'm guessing.
Yeah.
Okay, all right. Let me call this matter. Now calling the matter of the people versus Mohammed Yazbek. This is ticket number SX40987961. This is one count speeding, 21 to 25 miles over posted speed. This is the date and time set for a formal hearing in this matter. May I have your appearance, counsel, for the record, please, first?
Yes, Attorney Spencer Clayton, appearing on behalf of the respondent in the matter. P number 77302.
And Officer Trooper, can you state your name, please?
Yes, Trooper Alex Zagalonis, Michigan State Police.
All right. And you have authority to act on behalf of your client, Attorney Clayton, is that right?
That's correct.
All right, because he's not going to be present today, is that correct, sir?
Correct.
All right, so it sounds like we've reached some type of resolution in this matter. So the court is going to read from the ticket that on the date of August the 18th, 2022, in the area of East 96 and Telegraph in the city of Detroit, Mr. Yazbek was driving a Ford vehicle and did speed doing 10 to 15 miles over the posted speed. Satisfied, counsel?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
All right, the court is satisfied as well and will accept the plea of responsible to the amended charge of 10 to 15 miles over speed limit. The fine for that is, so 5 miles over is 125. I think it's $135. Hope that's right. Typically, civil infractions are due 14 days after the plea is had. Is that enough time for you, sir?
It is.
Okay, all right. So I'm gonna have it due no later than October 26, 2022. Thank you all for coming to a resolution on this matter. I do appreciate it. Attorney Clayton, it sounds like he may benefit your client from taking a driver's improvement course. Just suggest that to him because he doesn't want to lose his license at a young age. So that's not a part of the plea or anything like that. Just make that suggestion to him that he may want to take a course just so that he can improve a little bit.
Okay, understood.
Okay. Yeah, so I don't want him to lose his license. You know what I'm saying? But I also need him to be.
Yeah.
Okay, all right.
Yeah.
All right, thank you, Attorney Glade. I just want to help out a little bit, okay?
Thank you.
No
Have a good
problem. All right, thank you, everybody. Thank you so much. Have a good day.